Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a new folder in Microsoft Word. And this is handy if you want to sort of section up your documents while you're saving them. So here I am inside of Word, and I'm going to go to the Office button and click File, or the Office button, excuse me, Save As, used to be underneath the File menu. And it brings up our default location here in My Documents. Instead of just saving it in My Documents where it can kind of get a little bit cluttered, I'm going to create a new folder for this document to live in. So just right-click and say New Folder. And so we'll just call this one Temp for now. All right, we'll open that up and click Save. So if we come down to the folder here, or the Windows Explorer, I'm going to go into the Documents area. And you can see that our document, Temp, is actually there. And we can open it up and there's the document that we saved. So it's kind of a quicker way rather than having to go into the Explorer and create your files and organize things that way. You can do it from right inside of Word. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.